Just want to share a simple story when I first became a mayor. I first became a mayor in 2019. COVID mayor ako. July 10, 2019. I could not forget that day. May seminar kami sa Century Park Hotel. Pinatawag kami ng DILG, lahat ng mga newly elected city mayors in the Philippines. Siyempre, bago akong mayor, nag-register ako sa bill, chairman, of course, ng secretariat. Nung sinabi ko na yung city ko, sabi ng babae, Pasig City. Siyempre, Pasig City ako P-A-S-S-I. So, dami na rin ako experiences yan. Pero that moment really was the eye-opener to me. Sabi ko, ma'am, hindi naman ako si Vico Soto Ako si Mayor Stephen Palmares ng Pasig. If you try to look at the map in Panay, tatlong city lang yung Panay. Iloilo City, Rojas City, at saka kami na maliit, Pasig City, a component city. Kung titingnan mo, nasa gitna kami, land na kami. Walang dagat, walang airport, walang Banawi-Rice Terraces, wala, halos wala. So I think, sabi ko, ano yung gagawin ko? You know, being a mayor, I'm very blessed today that tinitingnan ko yung mga bisita, si Sir Jeremy, si Sir Eric, of course, Karen. Ako lang yung mayor dito. Sabi ko, sports. So the first time after COVID, we hosted the All-Star Game in 2023. Tapos in PBL, boxing, lahat na, Go for Gold, lahat, PBL, Philippine Volleyball League, halos lahat, pabalik-balik na, the Asian Tournament. And because of that, siguro the reason why I am here today is because of sports. Kung wala siguro yung sports, wala ako dito. So sports tourism is very important for drawing visitors, lahat yan sa city. And I am proud to tell everyone na kami na maliit na 4th class component city. Ngayon, in 2025, we are now a 3rd class component city. So na-improve na. And that is because of sports. So nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa sports. If you go to Western Visayas now, if you talk of sports, Pasig. So Sir Bill was there, Secretary Al-Agra was there, Ma'am Karen, Sir Jeremy, and the rest of some of us here was there in Pasig. And I'm inviting all of you to visit Pasig because this year, again, Sir Bill will be making history. Will be